Good morning, all. Today, I want to say about rainwater harvesting and I explain about rainwater harvesting. The rainwater harvesting involves the collection of water from the surfaces on which rain falls and subsequently storing this water for use. Water can also be collected in dams from rain falling on the ground. What produces run or off either the way water collected can be considered to be precious. Rainwater harvesting helps utilities reduce peak and demands during summer months, saving treated water for more important and appropriate water uses. While rainwater can be a perfect primary water source for many uses and situations, it is also a great backup water supply for emergency situations. The project you are viewing is rainwater harvesting. I did with natural processes. Actually, we did it with we will do with filters, but I did with my natural processes. But to do this, my requirements are a pipe and a bottle and round structured bottle we should take, and sand, gravel, and stones. At the downside, I pour gravel. At the middle side, I pour sand, and the upper side, I pour soil. So I make a hole to the downside of the bottle, and I kept a pipe to it. The pipe, at the edges of the pipe, we should make some holes. If we do not make some holes, it enters with the big hole of water and with big hole of the pipe and comes with the sand. So we should keep some holes in it and close the edge of the big hole. So I poured water. Observe it. Imagine that it is a borewell. Imagine that the water paper cup is borewell. I poured some water. Imagine that it is rainwater. See. Imagine that it is borewell. The paper cup is borewell. Then we can use for other needs also, like gardenings and plantings, for our needs, for our home needs also. We can drink it, but we can add some leaves to drink that water. See, we can wash our hands and we can do our home needs also. And it is generally in schools and colleges and other apartments and buildings, but in house like pakka houses like that, there is no availability of rainwater harvesting, but they don't know. That's why they cannot do. So we are educated person, we should take a part of conserving rainwater. So in today needs, water is very precious. In future generation, water can be not available. Water cannot be available. So we should conserve from now onwards. Then there is a storage of rivers and dams. Then we can conserve for future generations. We can use it. Actually, rainwater is used in summers, and we can use for our needs in summer and winter season and all seasons also. In all seasons also. See. Imagine that it is borewell or a pond. We can keep it in, we can store it in ponds, borewells, and our needs. Our wish it is. So this is the explanation of rainwater harvesting, and thanks for giving me this opportunity.